Did you know rosemary, the aromatic herb, has been revered for centuries? Ancient Greeks believed it strengthened memory. Today, science backs up some of these age-old claims. Rosemary's distinct aroma, derived from its oils, offers more than just a sensory delight. From culinary masterpieces to home remedies, rosemary has earned its place as a staple in kitchens and medicine cabinets worldwide. The herb's association with remembrance made it a symbol in funerals and memorials. Rosemary wreaths adorn the heads of scholars, embodying their belief in its cognitive-enhancing properties. Join us as we delve deeper into the science-backed advantages and diverse applications of this remarkable herb. Modern research is starting to validate what ancient civilizations intuited about rosemary. Studies show rosemary can improve memory and cognitive function. The herb's active ingredient, rosmarinic acid, is believed to be the key. Inhaling rosemary's aroma has been linked to improved memory recall in several studies. Participants exposed to rosemary essential oil showed significant improvement in prospective memory tasks. This makes rosemary a promising natural remedy for age-related cognitive decline and conditions like Alzheimer's disease. While more research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms, current findings present a compelling case for incorporating rosemary into our diets. Inhaling rosemary essential oil can lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, promoting relaxation and mental well-being. Rosemary's culinary uses are vast and varied. Its pungent aroma and slightly bitter taste make it an excellent addition to savory dishes. Rosemary pairs well with roasted meats, particularly lamb, pork, and chicken. The herb infuses the meat with its unique flavor, enhancing its savoriness. Rosemary is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine. A sprig of rosemary adds depth to tomato-based sauces, complementing the sweetness of the tomatoes. Its robust flavor also shines through in bread recipes, adding a rustic touch. Fresh rosemary is ideal, but dried rosemary can be substituted, using about 1/3 of the amount. For centuries, traditional medicine systems have utilized rosemary's therapeutic properties. Rosemary's antimicrobial properties are well documented. Its essential oil exhibits potent activity against various bacteria and fungi. This makes rosemary a valuable natural remedy for minor wounds and skin infections. Rosemary's digestive benefits are also widely acknowledged. Traditional medicine recommends rosemary tea for relieving indigestion, bloating, and gas. Studies show that rosemary can stimulate bile production, aiding digestion and nutrient absorption. Beyond its culinary and medicinal uses, rosemary holds a special place in aromatherapy and cosmetics. Its invigorating aroma makes it a popular choice for diffusing, promoting focus and concentration. Rosemary essential oil is also a common ingredient in massage oils, relieving muscle tension and promoting relaxation. In cosmetics, rosemary extract is valued for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It is often incorporated into skincare products for its potential to protect against free radical damage and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Rosemary's stimulating properties also make it an effective ingredient in hair care products, promoting scalp health and potentially stimulating hair growth. Its aromatic properties make it a natural moth repellent. Dried rosemary sprigs placed in closets and drawers can help keep moths at bay. Rosemary's journey through time, from ancient rituals to modern scientific studies, speaks volumes about its enduring value. More than just a fragrant herb, rosemary offers a multitude of health benefits, culinary delights, and practical applications. Incorporating rosemary into your daily life is simple and rewarding. Start by adding fresh or dried rosemary to your favorite dishes, enhancing their flavor and reaping its health benefits. Enjoy a cup of rosemary tea to aid digestion or simply unwind after a long day. Explore the world of rosemary essential oil, using it in a diffuser to enhance focus or adding a few drops to your bath for a relaxing aromatherapy experience. Embrace rosemary's versatility and discover the countless ways it can enrich your life.